Don't you hate it? When people invade your personal space while you're working.
That's why I created a robot that shines lasers into people's eyes.
I used an Arduino, a breadboard, a pan and tilt module, and 1, 2, 3 lasers because I absolutely want to blind my enemies. And I used the modern engineering technique of using tape to tape everything together. I got this idea from a video I saw. Then I was like, I don't have a problem with birds, but I do have a problem with humans. So I started the project, buying parts, fixing it, putting it all together, buying tools, until eventually I had a working prototype. But the prototype still had to be manually controlled. I mean, what's the point of making a robot, right, that has to be manually controlled? I mean, then just pick up the laser and point it at someone yourself. Why don't I use AI and machine vision to make it detect faces automatically? Let's code.
Every day we are working with internet, no? Suppose when a website is opened, automatically it starts with the HTTP. That means Hypertext Transfer Protocol.
Anyways, I got it to work. The laser pointing directly at my head. If I move right, it moves right with me. If I move left, it should track and continue to move left with me. Let's have a look at it. As you can see, it's totally automatic. Right, and if I move left, it should continue to follow my face and oh shit! My eyes. Looks like Predator. My eyes are starting to hurt a bit, but I think it's worth it for science. It was still missing something, so I added some speakers and recorded a sound so that whenever it saw a person's face, it would shout really loud. Ah! Get out! Nino, Nino, Nino. Let's try it out with the speakers now. Fingers crossed. Ah! Get out! 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 Oh shit! No! Needless to say, it was an absolute success. For future improvements, I may add more lasers and more speakers. Thanks for watching. Maybe I should have worn the sunglasses before and not after finishing the project. I may have permanent eye damage.